Right, welcome back. Quick tip and quick question today. A lot of people have issues, well, not a lot of people, but some people have issues around selling the LCC. So as you may be aware, that I created sort of an initial stage basically for research and design, where basically you offer the client a chance to go away and allow you to go and do some proper research for the point of reducing their risk and improving the design. So I want to tell you, one little tip around making it work and what happens when it doesn't work. But first I should tell you where I am. I'm in Central Park, and there's a big long queue there where my wife, who wants to go to the evening Othello concert, is in the line, and she suggested I go over here and sit on the grass. Pretty nice. So the queue's moving. Maybe we get in tonight, maybe we don't. But anyway, back to the LCC. So the big tip here is there's three phases, I guess. There's, as I define it, right? There's the free phase, there's the research phase, which is the LCC, and then there's the design phase. Right, so the free phase is really just meet and greet. That's it. Meet and greet, get rapport, find out about their project. Right, very important, answer no questions, or if you do, very high level questions. Just superficial answers, and basically I'd have to do more research and all that type of stuff. But collect unknown data. So it's for rapport, it's to understand the project, and it's to by asking questions, identify gaps in their knowledge that would put them at risk by moving forward. Okay, that's that phase. The next phase is the LCC, which is research and analysis. This is where you get paid. Now, if you do any of this research and analysis, or you give them answers that answers questions in this research and analysis phase, or give them design in the free phase, you're shooting yourself in the foot. You'll never sell the LCC. Okay, so in the free phase, you're not giving them any answers. You're not giving them any design. You're just doing it in the LCC. And once you get to the LCC, you're not giving them any design either. That happens in the design phase. The LCC is just research and analysis. Right, it's the proper homework, and you sell it by talking about reducing their risk on the project, and the fact that you got to do your homework. It's like the foundations for a good design. You need the foundations, so you need to go and do your research first. So anyway, so to sum it up, don't give away free advice. Don't give away advice in the free section. Don't give away drawings or designs in the LCC section. And it just makes it so much easier to move them from step to step to step. Because if you give them all the answers in the free phase, why would they need to pay you for design? They'll think they know the answers, and they think they'll be able to do it themselves, or go to a draftsperson and get them to do it for them. That's what happens. You give don't give the punchline away in the free session. So you just collect up all the things they know, and at the end you might say, right, seems like we don't have an answer for this, we don't have an answer for that. Here's what can happen. I can go away and do some research and analysis. It's a thing we call the design diagnosis. It'll cost you $1,500 or whatever it's going to cost you, and it'll help us reduce the risk on your project by going and doing our homework properly. So that answers that little question there.